welcome again to my channel. I am here again in my kitchen to show you how I cook the chicken roll with pesto sauce. Baked chicken with pesto sauce is very delicious. Okay, let us start, guys. I will show you first the ingredients. Okay, guys, for the pesto, I will be needing these ingredients here. Okay. Of course, I have the garlic, the basil, the parsley, the Parmesan cheese, and I will be needing this blender, and of course the salt and the pepper for those for the pesto sauce. And for the chicken, just the salt and pepper later, because we will just place the pesto sauce later, and then I will be adding the mozzarella cheese for the rolls. Okay, we will prepare the pesto sauce. I will just be needing the garlic, abundant amount of garlic because we love garlic. One whole garlic I will be placing. Okay, I will just do like this, like that. Parang galit na galit ba? Galit na galit sa garlic. Ayan. Wow. Ayan. To make it spicy, abundant amount of the garlic, and I will just take the leaves of this, guys. Yan. Eliminate the stems. Nilagay ang parsley. And then, it's up to you how spicy do you want your pesto. Okay, ilagay ko ang basil. Like that. The salt. Tansyahin ko lang ang salt. And then, the Parmesan. Abundant amount of Parmesan. Maybe I'll just open. Kasi gusto ko marami. Like that. About 200 grams of Parmesan. Like that. Okay? Wow. Abundant amount of olive oil. Maybe 1/3 cup. See that? And then, paanda rin natin. Nice pesto we have here. Yay. I almost forgot, my God, my nuts. It must be pine nuts, but no available, so these are walnuts. I will just add. Ayan. Here is it, guys. Ayan ang pesto. At ang sarap. Yummy. Okay na. So, let us prepare the chicken. Okay, let's now prepare. Exciting. I love this. I love this chicken. Cheesy chicken we are cooking today. Petti di pollo. We call this petti di pollo chicken breast. Ayan. I-roll lang natin mamaya. And then, let's pag it. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys, let us start. handa ko na yung toothpick. Okay? Toothpick. At saka yung mozzarella. Yung mozzarella natin. And then the tray. Tray first. Lagyan natin ng olive oil. Okay, let us spread this olive oil here. Like that. Yeah. Okay. And then, set aside. And then, let us take some mozzarella cheese. Ayan. Another block of mozzarella. And we'll be needing, well, maybe 200 grams of mozzarella. Wow. Here it is. Nice. Yeah. Okay. So now, wow. Like that, huh? Okay. Then, my pesto. My pesto. Here it is. Ito siya, guys. Yung pestong ginawa natin, pesto. Ayun. So, ito yun. Kukuha ako ng babahagya. A little only. At ilagay doon sa ating chicken. Ayan. Close up natin konti. Ayan. Ayan, ganyan lang. Konti lang. Ayan. Then a little of mozzarella. And then, gagawin like that. Uy, marami yatang mozzarella na ilagay. Tahiin lang natin, ganyan. Both sides. Ganyan, guys. Then, ilagay sa tray na may olive oil. Then, the other. Lagyan uli. Next. Yan. Pesto, then mozzarella, and then roll again, then lock it up with this. I will transfer it here. Ayan. Transfer. Kasi kukunti yung lulutuin, eh masyadong malaki itong tray. Kaya i-transfer natin. Okay? So, ito na yun, guys. Lagyan ko siya ng more mozzarella. Oh. And then, sa pagitan, lagyan ko pa rin. Para maging cheesy. Cheesy siya. See this? Wow! See? Little of salt. Pinch of salt. Like that. Olive oil. Pepper. Okay. Then, I will be placing in the oven for 30 to 45 minutes to be sure. Okay. Yes, yes, very beautiful. I love it. I love this chicken. Look at that. Wow. Ready na ang oven. Ilagay na natin ang ating chicken. Lagay ko siya sa pinakailalim para magaling maluto. Okay? At hintayin natin 30 to 45 minutes. Maluluto na yun. Wow. Nice. Reddish gold. Reddish brown ang color. Ang ganda. Nice, ha?
Nice. Sobrang init.
Okay.
That's it na.
Yeah. Oh, so yummy. Nice, ha? Yummy. Yum. So, let us try. Let us try, guys. Ayan. Nice and yummy. Yummy chicken.
Wow. Flavorful good. Ang sarap. Sarap.
Okay guys, naluto ko na naman yung cheesy bake roll na chicken cheesy bake roll. Yun ang complete name nitong aking niluto. So, let us taste, guys. Taste ba? Natikman mo naman na yata.
Tikman mo na, sarap.
Ang sarap, no? Sarap.
Kaya na tayo.
Kaya na?
Kaya na.
Ayan siya, guys. Oh, excited na naman siyang tumikim. Oh, see that? Oh, how is it? Huli ka na naman. Okay. Sige, magpaalam na ako. Magpaalam na kami ng lakay ko. Thank you so much, guys. See you again next time. See you. Bye-bye. Love you, guys. Take care. God bless.